Guys, welcome back to another video. Today what we doing, we working on the Audi. What we're gonna do to it is we're gonna drop the headliner, because if you guys look in the back right now, it's like sagging all the way, and I don't like that. And I don't know, I really don't like that. So I'm gonna take care of that right now. I just finished getting all these screws off right here. Everything that you have to take off is pretty much down there to get off the panel side right here. This panel right here, everything that you need to take off is right down there, and it's all, everything's a T35. So just work your way through and just take your time. Don't break anything. Be gentle with the connectors and stuff like that. They pretty fragile, because remember, they've been in the car for over like 20 years, you know, or 19, 16, do the math. Yeah, so this side is off. I'm gonna get to that side after I finish taking the back off, but it's pretty straightforward. Just take your time and just work your way through everything, and everything will come off really easy, you know what I'm saying? Well, my bad, I thought it was recording, you know, I thought it was really recording, but I did this side. It's the same concept. I thought the phone was recording. Just remove the the handles up top, and you see every bolt and screws, you know what I'm saying? Move the upper portion, the lights and everything. The lights just pop right off, you know, because they show you little spots where you could pry, so those just pop right off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this light out, and then I should be able to just drop the headliner right down. So quick update, everything is pretty much out. The glass, the window, the sunroof liner, everything is pretty much out. Right now I'm gonna just try to tuck the wires away just in case I'm not finished. I could just tape them to the ceiling, it's not a big deal, but I'm gonna have to replace like these little broken hinges right here. There's a few other things. If you see, that side is broken. It's completely off. Okay, so I have to figure out how to get this off. It's broken. So I'm gonna try to work that off right now. Okay, you see this right here? This piece is completely broken off. It was off. I think this little piece right here for the sunroof, for the I think this is for the wind, it broke completely off. And then I was just searching back here and everywhere, and I found a piece. I clipped it back on. So let's go ahead and see if we could snap it back in place and see if everything worked. Okay, that's back in place, so we good on that side. And I also have a bunch of replacement parts that I ordered a while ago, because I know I was gonna do the headliner. So I ordered this a while ago. Let's see what they send us. Always repping the brand, you already know. This is my friend clothing line, always repping. But let me show you guys what's going on right now. A lot of pieces they sent us. So what we're gonna do right now is just go ahead and just replace every single thing right now. So let's do that.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hope. Cause I can't move on till I let go. The pain makes it real. I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.
Go through the fender well all the way down, so I'm not even too worried about that. I don't really care about that. I could just throw the glass back on real quick, you know. So if your sunroof shade is not sliding back, right? If it's not I just dropped that. If it's not sliding back, you have to take the glass off and check these little grooves right here. Cause you see these, sometimes they get worn out and they break. So the sunroof would no longer slide inside of the grooves and it would get stuck, and sometimes it would affect the sunroof and sometimes it won't. Like mine was like not closing all the way fully, like the shades was all messed up. So what I went ahead and did, I knew it was the little guides, because my GTI is the same way, but let's not even speak about that car over there. We're just gonna stuck to this one. The sunroof on that one is broken, so like I would manually have to close it. I guess one of the guides for like something like for like these is broken, for the window or something is broken on the GTI, but I'm not too worried about that. But yeah, these little guides will help the shade move back and forth when you open the sunroof. And if they break, these don't have anything to write on, you know. I'll show you the old ones. So imagine this breaking off, right? Imagine this breaking off and it slides in here. Metal on metal is never good, you know. So you never want to have metal on metal contact. That's no bueno. So this right here is what helped the sunroof slide back and forth. These little tabs right here, you could go ahead and replace them. It's very, very cheap. You could get like replacement parts from eBay and it's not that bad. It's probably like $20 or less than that. I forgot how much I pay. Yeah, but metal contact is never good. And what I'm gonna do is, I have PB Blaster. I don't know what grease to use inside of here, so I'm just gonna lube it up a little bit. Just spray PP Blast on here a little bit so it slides in easily when I'm putting the shade back in. But I'm gonna use fabric to also wrap this right here, so I'm not gonna put it back in yet. I'm gonna test fit it though, just see if everything works. So it's in right now, and if you can see, it's sliding back and forth perfectly fine. I also kind of lubed it up, so you know. I'm gonna, oh wow. Look what I just did. I'm a vacuum it though. I'm so retarded because I stripped the liner off, so every glue that's on top of the shade is just dropping inside the car. But I'm just gonna vacuum it when I'm done. I'm so retarded. But you see, it's moving back and forth perfectly fine. It's just those guys you need to replace. Not a crazy job. It's really straightforward and easy, you know what I'm saying? So just take your time and just go through everything and just take care of that, and your shade will be sliding back and forth perfectly fine. You see the vibes. 335, getting the M Sport bumper. pretty much almost done transferring everything over. The fogs, he's doing that right now. The grills, everything is in. We already matched it up on the car. Everything fit perfectly fine. Then we gotta put the emblem on too, and then pretty much that's it. Then these washer, we gotta brackets, we gotta glue them back on. And then we pretty much done. I'm still working on my car over there. Yeah, it's not that bad. Now back to this. Let me show you guys what I'm up to right now. So right now, I'm trying to get off the old adhesive for the glue. I'm just trying to clean that up a little bit. And then that's why I have the garbage right here. So when I scrape it, I just scrape it right in the garbage. I'm doing that right now. Yeah, I do have some. I'm gonna see if I can find it. Give me a sec. Look in the toolbox though. Look if you see it in there. Toolbox first. It's my first time doing this, bro. So next time, I'm gonna know dead ass what to do. I mean, it's not coming out bad though. It don't look bad. It's recording? What?
Yeah, that.
Yeah, I had one earlier. But me don't know I'm put it. So you telling me all along I've been laying this on, it wasn't recording, bro? That's what the viewers want to see. They want to see what's going on.
Yeah, now you get to see like.
I mean, at least they get to see the finishing touch.
Yeah.
So it can't be that bad. So a quick update. I'm still working on it, but it's not looking bad so far. It's laid down pretty neatly. So what else I gotta do? I just gotta fix the sunroof and cut out the part for the lights right there, and then that's pretty much it. Everything gonna be finished. Better. So this is the finishing touch. See, it's not bad at all. Everything looked the same. Honestly, I like it. It looked way better than it did before, so I'm not even gonna complain about it.